If your home has wall-to-wall carpeting, you know that it's necessary to bring in a carpet cleaning machine every now and then and shampoo the entire rug. But for small spot repairs and remove odors, all you need is some baking soda, a spray bottle with a little hot tap water, and a stiff bristle scrub brush. This area here in front of the bed is where the dog likes to sleep, so it has a little bit of an odor. And we're going to eliminate that first by sprinkling some baking soda in the area. And you don't have to be afraid to sprinkle it out. You want to get a good amount on there. If you see any chunks like that, just break them up. Okay, and now we're going to mist it with the hot water. And this is just tap water. And you don't want to soak the rug, you don't want to get it wet, but you do want to get it just dampened. And now, and here's the real trick, this is what makes it work. You take the bristles, and you scrub the solution right into the rug, making sure you go against the grain. You want to drive it deep into the carpeting. You want to do the whole area, and ordinarily I'd do that for at least 2 or 3 minutes, or really scrub it in there. Then we're going to let it dry. In a case like this, it's probably going to take maybe 35 to 45 minutes for it to dry completely. Then come back and vacuum it up, and you end up with a nice, clean, sweet-smelling rug.